Hi there, it's Diane from Tobia Homes, and today I'm going to introduce you to 1113 Greenwood. Due to today's current circumstances, we're going to do a really detailed walkthrough of this property, and if you like what you see, give me a call and we'll arrange a private showing. Welcome to 1113 Greenwood Avenue. This sweet bungalow is located in the very popular East York area of Toronto, minutes from the highway, close to shopping, schools, and parks, and is perfect for couples ready to move from condos to a house, young families, or anyone who just loves this area. The first thing you're going to notice about this house is how much light comes into the living and dining rooms. The home feels cheerful, and the main living space is perfect for entertaining your family and friends. The kitchen is large, with a window over the sink, which I always love, and it walks out to a great addition that the current owner used as a home office, but could also be used as a wonderful dining area or a great sitting room. The other real cool thing about this room is the door that leads up to a loft that could be a great play area for your kids or a guest room. You really don't see this kind of bonus space often in bungalows. The bedrooms are both good sizes, and each has a walk-in closet. The second bedroom is perfect as a nursery or a guest room, and the washroom is right there as well. The finished basement is large and is divided into a family room and a bedroom area with lots of great storage and natural light. The second washroom and laundry areas are also located downstairs, and with the tasteful decor, it is a great space to spend time in. The previous owners were gardeners, and although at this time of year you can't really see it, there are lots of perennial plants, which gives the home great curb appeal and a wonderful backyard in the summer to entertain, play, and just kick back and relax. For more information on this property or any questions you might have on how we at Tobia Homes are helping our clients during this challenging time, please give me a call at 416-998-4302.